What if the blessing you've been praying for is already on its way? Let's digest these Bible verses. Deuteronomy 28 verse 2, "And all these blessings shall come on thee, and overtake thee, if thou shalt hearken unto the voice of the Lord thy God." Malachi 3 verse 10, "Bring ye all the tithes into the storehouse, that there may be meat in mine house, and prove me now herewith, saith the Lord of hosts. If I will not open you the windows of heaven, and pour you out a blessing, that there shall not be room enough to receive it." Psalm 23 verse 5, "Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of mine enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil, my cup runneth over." Numbers 6:24, 26, "The Lord bless thee, and keep thee. The Lord make his face shine upon thee, and be gracious unto thee. The Lord lift up his countenance upon thee, and give thee peace." Proverbs 10 verse 22, "The blessing of the Lord, it maketh rich, and he addeth no sorrow with it." Philippians 4 verse 19, "But my God shall supply all your need according to his riches in glory by Christ Jesus." Genesis 12 verse 2, "And I will make of thee a great nation, and I will bless thee, and make thy name great, and thou shalt be a blessing." Psalm 128 verse 2, "For thou shalt eat the labor of thine hands. Happy shalt thou be, and it shall be well with thee." 2 Corinthians 9 verse 8, "And God is able to make all grace abound toward you, that ye, always having all sufficiency in all things, may abound to every good work." Matthew 5 verses 3 to 10, "Blessed are the poor in spirit, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven." God's blessings are not random, they are promised. They are coming in ways that will overwhelm your heart with gratitude. If this video has blessed you, like it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.